Hello YouTube. If you're looking to replace your refrigerator water filter, then this video can show you how you can replace the water filter. It's pretty quick and easy. I got this Pure Plus water filter from Amazon, and it was probably like I think 4 of these were like under $30. That was a pretty good deal too. So this is LG LT700P refrigerator. So as you can see, their change filter warning sign is there. So I'm just gonna change the filter. So right here on the box, it kind of gives you idea how to replace the this water filter. It's pretty straightforward, and it's got some information about how it's certified there. And let's go ahead and replace this water filter. So over here you can see there's this water filter compartment over there. I'm just gonna push that tab, and I think it's lower. Yep, and it lowers it down, and you just like pull it down. Yep, and you just pull it towards you. So as you can see, I had to like move away that tray just on the bottom of this filter, so it's easy for me to take this out. And the filter cover kind of it can go further down. So all you do is you just pull it out, and you can see you can clean over here, something over there. So I use a paper towel just to clean some dirt over there. So it looks good now. So all you need to do is take this cap out and insert the same way how you took it out. So just insert it, just push it. Now it's ready. Just pull it up. Now it's ready there. And just cover this water filter cover. Now you need to probably run 1 gallon or probably 5 minutes. Just run the water out from your refrigerator, so it kind of cleans the the system, and then you should be good to go. In some cases, your refrigerator might have water filter reset button there, so you can take that out too. It looks like I have light filter, so I'm just gonna probably keep pressing that. I guess that, yeah, I think it just reset the month, so I have 6 months there. And so that's how you can press it for like a 4 or 5 second, and it kind of reset the water filter to 6 months or 3 months. So you can use these kind of stickers to track when to replace your water filter. But since I already had the filter button here to reset the time, so I didn't have to use this. But this is a really good option if you don't have that filter reset button on your refrigerator. So I'm just gonna run the water for probably 5 minutes, so it kind of cleans the system. So you just keep run the water until clean water runs back again. Now the dirty water is gone, and clean water is coming back to the system. So now I can use this water. So thank you guys for watching this video.